Hello there and welcome to DD Creative. Pinterest has just released a new feature, Pinterest's Trends Keyword Tool. It's a great way to research your keywords to find out what's trending right now. If you're a blogger or business owner, you're going to love this new tool because if used strategically, you'll get more traffic to your website or blog. Simply go to trends.pinterest.com. Note that this is only available in the US at the moment. If you're outside of the US, like me, you could try using a VPN set to the US to access this tool. That's what I'm doing right now. Basically, this new feature uses dates from the previous year to show search volume trends for specific keywords. Each data point compares the search volume of a trend to all other searches during that week for the previous year. The results are then indexed from 0 to 100 to compare the relative volume of each term. This can help you plan when to start blogging and pinning about certain topics. It could also help you to decide which keywords to use for board names, board descriptions, and pin titles. So basically, when the page first loads, you'll see some ideas here to get you started. I'm going to use the search bar. And basically all you need to do now is search for a term. So I'm going to try some keywords. Financial freedom. And you'll see now that there are a few graphs on the side of these keywords that are all related. So I'm going with financial freedom. And basically this is what you'll see initially. You'll also see for the term financial freedom, it peaks just after New Year's, which is right after the holidays where everyone has probably gone over their budget due to Christmas. Now, if I was to have a look at this here, searches over time, and click on the question mark, and it now explains to you what each data point is. Each data point compares the search volume of a term to all other searches during that week for the previous year. The results are then indexed from 0 to 100, so 0 being least popular and 100 to being most popular, to compare the relative volume of each term. And if I scroll down further, there are actually some more related terms as well. So if I was to click on another one, financial planning, I can now compare the two. And the same thing again, financial planning, straight after New Year's. Again, people are probably thinking about their budget and how they may have gone over budget during the Christmas season. And if I was to scroll down even further, you'll also see some popular pins in related to those keywords. And these ones are all related to financial freedom. So let me know if you've tried Pinterest Trends. What did you think? Did it give you some ideas for keywords that you can use? Love to know in the comments below. And if you like this video, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thanks so much for joining me.